Good morning, East Garner. Welcome to our third quarter quarterly review. We're going to take some time just looking over some historical data. Just like in the past in each one of our quarterly reviews, this is the same data, so this isn't something that we're going to be spending a lot of time in as we've seen it twice already. This is our ELA historical data. When we're looking at this, we really want to look through cohorts. We want to see how our students from third grade moving into fourth and then moving into fifth have progressed or digressed throughout their years. This slide focuses on our math historical data. And lastly, our science historical data. Now, there are no cohorts in our science historical data as fifth graders are the only students that take the science EOG. And our last piece of data is our third grade BOG, or beginning of grade test. So this is the test that is given at the beginning of the year to all third grade students looking for third grade proficiency. It is one of the tests that shows is one of their good cause exemptions and shows proficiency for third grade reading. Now we're going to look at East Garner current in our third quarter. So in our Dreambox data, this is our predictive outcome data. So in January, we had 43.8% of our students either on track or potentially on track, and we grew 11.7% in February to 55.5%. Our goal is to continue making these growths in our on track and potentially on track students. Our math check-ins for third quarter are as followed. Third grade is at 32.8. They made a 1.1% gain from their second check-in. Fourth grade is at 19.7%, which is a 6.2% decrease. And fifth grade is at 27.7%, which is a negative 3.3 decrease. Our science for check-in 3 is 37.3%. We really don't compare this as there are new units that are taught in science for each one of the quarters that they're taught. Currently, we do not have any reading check-ins as Wake County was not implementing reading check-ins for this quarter. Just some school-wide initiative that we are working through. Currently, 50% of our staff is in the process of their letters training, so somewhere within the units 1 through 4, while 41.7% of our staff have actually completed all of units 1 through 4 or the admin course that were taken. For third quarter, our school had 106 positive office referrals, and we gave out 128 affirmations. Moving into fourth quarter, we have some new initiatives given to us by the district and by our area superintendent. So we're going to be working through those during our 2-hour quarterly reviews to make sure that we have the strongest fourth quarter possible.